Hello, this is Mr. Willis, and I'm going to show you how to break up a logo that you've made in Google Drawings so you can use it for something like an animation. If you made your logo with Photoshop, you'll want to check a different video. So anyway, I have this logo here, and the first thing that you want to do is if your logo has a background color, something like that, that can look cool for printing, but we don't want it for the animation. So I'm going to right-click and by the way, I'm right-clicking on an empty space here. Don't right-click on top of one of the letters or something. Go to background and make sure I'm in the solid section and set it to transparent. So I want a transparent background just like the checkerboards back there. Okay. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save one copy of my logo that has everything all together because it's just good to have that. So to save this for use in something else like Adobe Premiere, I'm going to go to File, Download As, and PNG. And it's very important that I choose PNG. Once again, when you look at this, you don't want to do any of these other ones. You want PNG. Is going to work well in our video editor. Now when it does that, you'll see it just saved it right there. If it just goes straight down like that, that means it's in your downloads folder. If you set it to ask where it downloads, it might pop up another box. Now once I've saved this logo with everything, I'm now going to delete everything except one part. So I'm going to click on this W in front, backspace it, click on the falcon, backspace it. So now all I have is the W. And now I'm going to repeat that saving process. File, Download As, PNG. And you'll see it's kind of automatically naming them with like, you know, putting a 1 or something behind it, and that's good. We want it to have those little numbers on the end of each one. If it's popping up a box and asking you to type in a file name, make sure you put like a 1 or a 2 after each one. Alright, now that I'm down to the W, I'm going to undo what I just did. That undo button, you know, kind of undoes those backspaces that I did so that everything's back. And now I'm going to erase everything again, but this time I'm going to leave something different. So I'll erase this red W again, and I'll erase the black W. So now I'm left with just the falcon, and then repeat the process. File, Download As, PNG. You'll see it keeps numbering them, keeps saving them. Then repeat that again. Undo, undo, and now this might be a little more tricky. I want to delete the stuff that's in back. So I'm going to make sure I delete that black W, delete the falcon, and now repeat the process. File, Download As, PNG. Okay, and so now if I were to go look at my downloads folder here, you'll see that, here I'll make it so you can actually see the icons here. I now have a file that has the whole logo together, and then I have each part, each letter and the falcon are each their own individual files. This way, when I put these into my video editor, I can move all three of these pieces independently and do some really cool designs. So hopefully that helps out. Have fun creating.